Good Tuesday evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm going to do a board, one of the boards that my wood guy does for me. And I'm going to try using my Color Shift colors in a puddle pour and see how it turns out. And then we're going to do my top will be gold with the gold alcohol, not resin. And the gold that I am using is Color Passions Soft Gold. We are going to give it a try with the alcohol and see. So I'm using the Jet Black, and I'm using my Color Shifts Violet, Green, Red, and Blue. Not going to use the gold because I am going to use the Color Passion Gold. And unfortunately, guys, right now, I no longer have these in stock. We will try to find them again, and if you want them back in, I'll try to bring them back in, okay? But for now, they are not available. So, how was everybody's weekend? I hope you had a wonderful weekend, nice and relaxing, or fun and exciting. It was very nice here, weather-wise, but it is August, so today was a little bit cooler. It was only 23, and it's going to be up and down, 27, 24, 27, like that, for most of the rest of August, and then fingers crossed we have a nice Indian summer, but we will see. You know what Mother Nature's like. Okay, guys, let's get started on this puppy. I'm going to pour the black on the whole thing because this is my base. So I'm going to start off with the black. And we will spread this puppy around. So that it goes down my edges. Getting there. I think I need to play some music for you guys or something when, you know, it's not always easy for me to talk and work at the same time. And I don't want to bore you. So, and, you know, my singing is not the greatest. Okay, so let's start the puddle. I think I'll do two. I'll do one little one up here, maybe three. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that, okay? There's the violet, but I think let's start with the green. We'll do green, violet, blue, and red. Okay. Okay, so green. I love using these little paper cups because you can squeeze them and it's like a funnel. Okay, so we got our green and now our violet. And our blue. I may have to do one there because I just dripped. Okay, let's do one there. So we'll do the green, the violet. Let's hope I don't drip anymore anywhere else. The blue. Okay, and now our red. We're getting some major cells happening. Okay, let's go again. Green, green. I think there's going to be enough to do one more round after this. This is the violet again. The blue. And the red. Oh, there's a little chunk. It's gonna roll over the side anyway. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave it, but what I will do is one right here at the top of the handle. That there. Okay, now let's mix up. Oh my goodness, look at the cells. Let's mix up this alcohol with the gold, and what I do is I put a little scoop of gold powder in the cup, and then I squeeze this matching gold alcohol ink in, and then I just blend that, and it becomes like, oh, it looks like malted gold. And now what I'm gonna do is just drizzle, drizzle. This where I'd like it. Go down that side, yep. Didn't go down here. Let's get that going down the side here. Same here. It doesn't make a lot, but you don't really, because this is my accent color, I don't need a lot. So you know what? I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm going to leave it just like this, guys. Not gonna add heat, nothing, because I like it just the way it is. I don't want it, it will still move a little bit because it's still dripping across the bottom, but I like where it is right now. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. What do you think? I'm gonna bring you down and show you what else I've been working on that is sitting right underneath you, drying, curing. So come on down. Cannot drop you in what I'm doing. So okay. Oops. Okay. I didn't drop you in what I was doing. I dropped you on the floor. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my God. You guys are going to be black and blue. Okay, so this is the board that I just did with our color shift colors that show up just brilliantly on black. And look at those cells happening in there. And oh, even in the gold. And then we did the alcohol and powder color passions, soft gold. And this, guys, is the piece that I've been working on for days. And it still may need one more coat, but I'm waiting to see when this coat cures tomorrow, how it turns out. So we will see tomorrow. But I love this. It comes all the way down to the bottom. It's cool. Very cool. Okay, guys, so sorry I dropped you. I didn't mean to, honestly. Thanks for joining me. It was quick. I think I have you upside down. Oh, good Lord, I probably do. Well, we'll see how I can fix this. Or not. Maybe it might not even make a difference. Let's hope for the best, okay? Fingers crossed, because I'm about as tech savvy as a skunk. So we will see. Okay, guys, you have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Bye for now.